I added 15 milliliters of vinegar to the graduated cylinder. I then added 4.8 grams of baking soda into a balloon. I secured the balloon over the graduated cylinder, poured the contents into the graduated cylinder, and waited for the balloon to expand. Once the balloon fully expanded, I used a string to measure the circumference. I then measured how long that was with a ruler. I measured 2 more times just for better accuracy. In the previous experiment, I used 4.8 grams of baking soda. Now I'm going to do the same thing with 1.2 grams of baking soda and 2.4 grams of baking soda. Both regular chemistry and honors chemistry involve the same experiment, but they have different methods of analyzing the results. For both classes, I want to make sure that I put my name, the date, and the block on the paper. Regular chemistry asks for the observations made at each of the trials, and also for the maximum circumference measured for the balloon at each of the trials. Regular chemistry then asks to graph the circumference measured versus the grams of baking soda added. The questions then ask which amount of baking soda produced the largest balloon, why that's so, and also what gas is it that's being produced in the balloon. The answer to the last question can be found by doing some online research. The Chemistry Honors packet is a little bit more involved. For Chemistry Honors, the maximum circumference is used to find the radius and the volume of the balloon in cubic centimeters, and also the volume of the balloon in liters for each of the 3 trials. Several calculations are needed, and the 2 main equations for the volume of the sphere and the radius given the circumference are included in the packet. Like regular chemistry, observations should be noted for each trial. Like regular chemistry, honors chemistry also requires a graph, only the graph in this case involves a computed volume rather than just using the circumference measured. The next questions ask to describe the relationship between the amount of baking soda and the volume of the balloon. They also ask which trial produced the largest balloon and why that was. An additional question involves some research on the computer to determine what the chemical formula is for this entire reaction. I'm writing in the formula here.